Hello everyone, today we are gonna play Minecraft. So we're gonna play CubeCraft, yeah. And most of all, I'm already logged in, so you can play with me whenever you want, yeah. So I have this update called the Tiny Takeover, and yeah, it's becoming famous, guys. And also, the baby mobs are quite cute and some are boring. Yet the golden dandelion is here. No, don't need to worry. But okay. So PvP, I'm quite just a newbie yet. Yeah, I can still try. Because, yeah, I don't know. Sure. Don't. So I live in Philippines and I will only speak English because I know you are from USA or where. I don't know. Or UK. But today we will 1v1 someone that I know. So many. Oh god. Oh no. He just left. I don't know why. But yeah. Okay. After this 1v1, we will be. Are you serious right now, bro? Bro, this guy keeps leaving and leaving. Please. I'm actually still 8 years old and I already played Minecraft since I was 4 years old. I mean 3 I think. Still don't know because those were years. And I can combo someone, like this guy. Oh god. He knows how to combo. That's why I'm quite of a noob. Yeah. I can still duck. Parkour. Ow. Not. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, but you opponent. It's Rita. Rita. So let me subscribe right now so I can finish the last. There. Oh, this there. Ooh, lovely pocket. Don't forget to like also. I already know how to combo someone. Oh god. Bro, you gotta be kidding me right now. So yeah, and then I can hit him because I don't have aimbot. Bro, cannot hit me. I have. Okay, glue. Ow. So, like I said, we were gonna play Bed Wars. Yeah. But solos. Or I'll try duos later. If you don't like to subscribe, you can. Because There's no reason. I'm just a normal YouTuber. Okay. So this texture pack is called Tulip. I got it from ABL. Yeah. Okay. We have 20 items, so we can buy armor. And also we can buy, oh my god, I'm lagging. And we can buy a iron sword, also blocks. Oh god, I'm so loud. I don't know why. So yeah, so I still don't know how to even jump bridge. But yeah, I still try. Bruh! That was a 5-block thing. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's not. So yeah. I need to download a FPS booster like Vita. So I recently play on mobile. Hello bro, can you fight me? Bruh. Come, just come. What? Really? Oh god. It takes so much time. And get out of here. So yeah, I have no more beds. So why are you doing this? So yeah, I'm quite lagging also. Hello bro. Oh. Did I just I just eliminated bro. Yeah, I'm quite amazing. Oh, right. There's light blue and yellow. Great. Oh, I'm gonna go. Oh god, I died. Play again. Wish me luck. Okay. Not Noor. But you are Noor. Okay, the teaming in solo set versus bannable. Okay, I might get banned. Yeah. So yeah. Oh wait, what? I didn't know this. Oh, I know. Thank you. Oh look, diamond. 5. Really only 5? I need 10. Okay. Oh god. Oh god, get away from me. Yeah. Get up there. Hopefully no one can go to my base. So I need to Cover my head. Yeah. Oh yeah. Don't mind that because I live in person my sister is doing something very suspicious. Wait, what? Oh. Bro, just got eliminated. Oh, diamonds. Now I have 13. Nice. Oh my god. So I only have to put the red key. So when he asks in case it will have 24. Hello, bro. Bro can't even fight me. Bro scared. Wow, bro. Come on. Just fight me already. Come on, just fight me already. I have a diamond sword. I have a diamond. So I'm recently playing on mobile again. And I'm playing on a tablet. Wait, bro. No. Wait, what? Do I have to? Okay, where's that? Oh, there. Where's my base? Is that my base? Ow! That hurt. So yes, I'm kind of nervous if I lose. Yeah. I wish me luck. Ah! W. So, I have to go. Just, yeah. So I have to go. Bye bye.